Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we're wrapping up May, about a 300 handle month for us, which, considering the flatness and the volatility at times, I mean, that, you know, it's been a heck of a month. So typically, what we do around here when we get to the end of the month is we worry about, you know, we don't want to give any of it back. We're sitting at about a 37 handle week, so the week is made as well. So I tend to think, I don't get so obsessed that tomorrow is June 1st. I take it more along the line of, you know, of week to week to week to week. So the fact that tomorrow is the 1st, it's great, but, you know, it's not that big of a deal. Okay, the tape. We've been in this battle over the mid-band. We've been in this battle over weekly pivot. Yesterday, the bulls won both of those battles. And the consequences of winning both of those battles, at least for me, is going to be a test of 37.75, 41.75, you know, the highs from the last from the last week or so. If they can get above that, then you start to deal with the upper band. You can see the bandwidth is starting to tighten up. We're at 3.1. That, you know, that is going to lend itself to some expansion in the month of June, which is great. Be a great trader's market. Hourly chart. So here's your dip buy from Tuesday. Just building higher lows on the hourly chart. Hourly mid-band finds support. We got up over the daily mid-band at 06 yesterday morning with a pretty powerful move that never really looked back. We made a bias on our proprietary levels and really got into a trend up situation that we were able to ride the majority of the day. We got long 05, we got long 13.75. We did some shorts later in the day, but, you know, they paid, but they didn't really do much. Pretty typical of a trend. What I'm concerned with now is, what is this weekly pivot going to do? We've been trading on either side of it overnight, which is not surprising. You can see that the hourly bands are starting to tighten up again. If we chop over the course of the next couple of hours, and it might be a pretty choppy open today, I get a little concerned when I see bands jamming themselves in like this. This could continue throughout the morning. So like I said, it's been a fantastic week. It's been a fantastic month. It's sure as heck been a fantastic year. So if this thing, you know, you have to have some perspective. If this thing wants to chop around this morning and whip around, let it. You got jobs report tomorrow. You've got 3.1 bandwidth on the daily chart, and now you have tight hourly bands. That lends itself to a pretty good looking Thursday afternoon into Friday. So if it wants to chop around this morning, don't let it chop you up, okay? Understand what's happening, be patient, and wait for the opportunity. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out on social. We're going to get back to doing webinars next week. Everybody have a fantastic day. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.